With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, question is lowering in the magnitude of water potential due to the dissolution of a solute is called. Okay, this called is a solute potential. Okay, what is the solute potential? The solute potential is the lowering of water potential. Okay, it is a lowering of water potential due to addition of solute. Okay. Option B, that is the pressure potential. What is the pressure potential? The pressure potential is the component of water potential. Okay, it is the component of water potential, and the pressure potential is arise due to the hydrostatic pressure that is exerted on the water, that is H2O, present in the cell. So this is a wrong option. Turgor pressure. What is the Turgor pressure? There is a cell, and inside the cell there is a water present, and this water make the pressure on the cell so that the plasma membrane and cell make a distance, is known as Turgor pressure. So this is also a wrong statement. Suction pressure, this is also wrong statement. So the correct option is the solute potential. I hope you can understand this explanation. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.